Greetings, my name is Ikshit Gupta. My roll number is 20AG10012. In the Proteus software, I have opened the motor example. Here, this we have Arduino, this is the terminals, and this is the motor shield. These are some push buttons. We will be requiring the motor engine. This is L298 motor engine connected to two motors. The output 1, output 2, input 2 and enable A is for motor 1, while output 3, output 4, input 3, input 4 and enable B is for motor 2. We will be using the motor A, and for that we will be requiring input 1, input 2 and enable A. The enable A is connected to IO4 and IO4 is connected to the IO6. Similarly, input 1 is connected to IO12 and the input 2 is connected to an XNOR logic gate, in which if both the inputs on 1 and 2 are same, then the output will be high, otherwise the output will be low. For example, if on 1 and 2 there are 0 0 or 1 1, the output will be high, and if there will be 0 1 or 1 0, the output will be low. So the second terminal is connected to IO8. So by using brake A, direction A or PWM A, we can control the speed of the motor A. When the output from the logic gate will be as high, the motor will rotate in clockwise direction, and when the output will be low, the motor will rotate in anti-clockwise direction. Now, in the source code, I have written the code. First, I have set the PWM as 200. As you can see that I have compiled my code. Now, if I run the code, we can see that the motor settles at 35.1 rpm. Now we will make change in the source code and we'll set it as 100 and again build the project. Now it's compiled and now on running we have made the PWM to half of 200, so it may settle to the half of the earlier rotations per minute. It settled at nearly 9.2 rotations per minute. Ideally, it should have settled to half of the value earlier, but the motor has many internal parameters, so because of that, it stops somewhat early. Now for the second activity using Node-RED, first I installed the dashboard palette using menu manage palette and then installing it from here. First, from the dashboard palette, I use this slider option and create this water level controller and this gauge option to create this water level in centimeters. In water level controller, I set the range from minimum to 0 to maximum of 100 in steps of 1. Then in the water level in centimeters, I gave the range from 0 to 30 as green, from 30 to 60 as yellow and from 60 to 100 as red to differentiate among the water levels. After that, I connected the water level controller to the water level in centimeters. Then for the pressure controlling, I first gave the slider and gave it a range of 0 to 40 steps of 1. Then I made this chart and set its type as bar chart and gave its range also from minimum 0 to maximum of 40, and I set its color to orange and done. Then to see what I have done, I create the user interface of the Node-RED, and now we can see like when we set the gas pressure from 0 to 40, the bar graph changes, and similarly in the water level controller from 0 the color changes from green and yellow, and then at high pressure it becomes red. Now you can see I have opened my Node-RED user interface in my mobile. Now I am changing the bar in the laptop and it is working in the mobile.